So in this Ndax tutorial, I will be showing you how to add funds to your account by wire transfer here on Ndax. So once you guys open up Ndax at the very bottom in the middle, select the larger purple circle. Once you're here where it says add funds, deposit cash or crypto into your account, select that option. Then once you're here under fiat assets, make sure that Canadian dollars are selected. And then at the bottom where it says wire transfer, press on that. So once it brings you to this page right here, it's going to go ahead and give you the following information. So the banking information, the transit number, etc. You're going to need all this information to complete the stuff. So once this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom right and press on next. It'll then bring up this screen right here where it says next steps after sending your wire transfer, upload your receipts into the Ndax app. And if this looks good to go, you can go to the bottom and press done to proceed with the wire transfer. So that is how you guys can add funds to your account by wire transfer on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.